Good morning. And my goodness, we've got to the end of the second week of term, and we have been extremely fortunate that the sun has shone throughout and we have been able to get out and about into the fresh air, which I think has helped the mood across the school enormously, and in particular I can assure you the mood of the teachers. This morning is the celebration assembly, but before we start, just as a little treat, we have a musical offering from Ryan and then some poetry offered by Naman, Sebastian, Henry and Hassanan.
We present to you Called School Pets. We like grizzly bears and pythons.
Alligators, sewer rats.
We like Komodo dragons.
And giant vampire bats.
We like man-eating tigers.
And tarantulas are nice.
But what can we keep?
Gerbils, goldfish, mice.
The Art Museum. We hope you enjoy.
Please don't touch, please no noise. Pay attention, girls and boys. Please don't yawn, please don't sit. Chewing gum, we don't permit.
They've dragged us on a field trip to this musty old museum. We're looking at some paintings, but I don't want to see them. We have to stay together and be quiet. That's the rules. I never thought I'd say this, but I'd rather be at school. Wait a second.
Holy smokes, it's getting better now.
If you could see what I am seeing, all you'd say is, wow.
I sincerely hope you enjoyed that. It is now on with the show, and I'm delighted to be awarding a number of commendations, Headmasters of commendations this morning. So commendations go to, unsurprisingly, Ryan in Year 5 for music, and indeed also unsurprisingly Naman, Sebastian, Henry and Hassanan in Year 6 for poetry and performance. I'm also delighted that Year 1 and Year 2 boys in particular appear to have hit the ground running and are delighted to be back in the thick of things, working extremely hard. And I'm also very, very pleased to see that a number of boys who are new arrivals to West House have also hit the ground running and come to show me various pieces of work which have then earned them commendations. So, in Year 1 we have commendations for Yifan C for art, wonderful, wonderful piece of art, drawing of a fantastic red dragon, and also Yifan for maths, Cyan E for English. Leo S came along to show me his maths yesterday, and it was splendid maths indeed. So Leo S in Year 1, you get a commendation. And Mika R, you get a commendation for maths. and delighted to also offer a commendation to Saran S in Year 1 for English. You, Saran, have hit the ground running and doing extremely well as you start your West House journey. In Year 2, we have commendations for Max A for English, Niren A for English, Yusuf M for a fantastic piece of holiday work, a diary that you kept throughout with pictures, well done to you, and Tristan F for maths. Congratulations, commendations on their way. Also delighted this morning to award commendations to Stanley W for art, fantastic piece of work showing trees and their changes through the seasons of the year. That was absolutely magnificent. And Jack J in Year 5, you get a commendation for English for your piece of homework on Michael Morpurgo. I've also, Jack, just marked your story that you wrote for me, which is also of a very high standard, so this bodes particularly well. Rahul S in Year 5, you get a commendation for English, also for your Michael Morpurgo work. And Isaac B, you get a commendation for some science work that you did at home. You know exactly what I'm talking about, the circulatory system, absolutely magnificently displayed. And Isaac is the sort of chap who decided he wanted to just do that and do a piece of work on it to come and bring to show me. And, oh goodness me, one final commendation, hot off the press. This one I became aware of very late yesterday, just as I was about to go to film, and this goes to Kyan P for your English. Well done. So listen, you're all doing, every single one of you is doing extremely well. Congratulations to those of you who have been awarded commendations this week. I can assure you that there will be plenty more commendations awarded during the course of the term. So do, boys, please keep working jolly hard. I think you're all doing fantastically well.